250.
Awesome. Woo. So what's your name, man? What's in here?
All right, Mike Young. It is 2 X12s and a 4th order. Box not exactly right for these speakers because I just changed out from the used, but we're running a def box, 4K at half ohm. We got a Mechman 250.
Awesome. This a 4th order?
4th order. It's a 2.5 to 1.
Okay.
Tuned to 48.
All right. Is this your daily driver?
Daily driver. So it's a work truck. I drive this thing 150 miles a day, every day, and it's my office, so I want to enjoy it best I can.
Yes,
so
sir.
I got plans to do 3 X12s, another def bond. So by Ruckus, it'll be a 6 order, 3 X12s, 2 def bond strap, 0.33. For a work truck, it should do what it needs to do.
Yes, sir. All right.
All right, Emily, you ready? Come up here, Emily.
She don't want to do it. You said it was tuned where again?
47.
47. Okay. All right. in the mid-40s really well.
That's where it's playing because it's really, this box is designed for use.
Okay.
This box is designed, but last minute, like 2 days ago, I switched to the
made it happen for the show.
Yes,
all
sir.
right.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
We'll play some.
How do I say this?
high 20s all the way into the 50s, just solid.
Especially to be in a box way too small for
Yeah.
an X.
Yes, sir.
But it's working.
Thanks, Mike.
Thank you, sir.
And good luck with your new build by Ruckus. I'll see
Sydney
you.
by Ruckus.
Yes, sir.
All right.
You have a fun day, man.
Thank you. You too.
You know we came to get.
going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.